way inside the strike
Ayan na.
zone. Ito.
And
Put
the
some
crowd
pressure.
really into this kind of thing. Body shot. Uy,
May
nalaglag.
combination. May
Nako,
combination doon.
nalaglag.
Yung mouthpiece.
It's no bad one in trouble.
Sandali. Papasok nila yung mouthpiece.
Iba ang galit ni Carlos Finiquito.
Oo. It's gotta be that mouthpiece that's put back in the mouth. Wash it first. Tapos ibalik sa bibig ni Snow Badwa.
And this is what I've been saying, no? People are asking si Lamado Diado, boxing is a game of the young. Mas bata ito at mas malaki pa. So,
Malaki, mahaba,
oo,
matangkad.
bigat, mas bata. Pero Snow Badwa, mas matapang to. Alam
Ay,
natin
oo.
walang inaayawan to. May nakalinya na nga siyang next fights eh. Boom!
nice
Yun!
shot.
Tumama! Nasolo!
Big right hand
Good right
by Snow
hand!
Badwa.
Mukhang nasaktan. Natamaan ng overhand.
At ito, umaatake ngayon si Snow Badwa.
It's Snow. Oh, right hand again.
It's snowing inside the ring.
Boom! Oh! Kita mo yung mata. My
And
goodness.
another right hand coming from Snow Badwa.
Oh.
More punches.
Oh!
And there he goes. Wow, nagkasakitan yung dalawa. Nagkasakitan. Snow Badwa with an avalanche
Guys,
late in round number 1. Snow Badwa nabuhayan dito.
siya yung umaatake dito. Walang pakialam kahit malaki tong kalaban niya. Ayan na, wrestling niya. Boom. Kapit si Snow.
Parang nawala na yung kumpiyansa ni Finiquito. The confidence that he showed early in this fight.
Abay,
Naku, tumutukod na.
This guy trains with boxers, no? Snow Badwa. O nako, nagreklamo na.
Tinatamaan daw siya sa likod ng ulo.
Time out dapat. Sayang yung entertainment. Ref, time out to ba?
Naku, sandali. Hindi pa pwede yan. Hindi pa pwede. You cannot voluntarily stop the fight on your own.
Hindi pwede.
Hindi ka naman pwede magreklamo.
It's Snow Badwa attacking here. And he's pummeling the bigger guy.
It's a snowstorm. Mahaba pang oras.
Hindi na sumusuntak si Carlos dito. Mukhang mas maganda ang sa amin na ni Snow.
Oo, mas maganda ang kondisyon ni Snow Badwa.
Oh!
Wala na.
May bumaksak!
Finiquito is out of breath.
Yes!
He's gasping for air.
Oh! And he's being taunted. Tatayo pa ba? Oh my God! Oh! Snow Badwa celebrating!
Snow Badwa looks like he might have scored a knockout. Sandali.
Sinuntok pa! Oh!
Pati
Sinabi niya
binibilangan.
yan. Sinabi niya yan. Gagawin niya talaga eh.
Bilangan nyo. Pati binibilang Gizaldi Lopez.
It's Snow Badwa! A bad man!
Pati binibilangan. Knockout na yun eh. Umabot na sa 10. Ano ba yan?
Parang wala sa condition si Carlos.
Wala,
And
wala.
Snow! Bam! Bombs away for Snow! Boom! Yan na siya naman. Oh! Siya naman.
Ito. Both of them are
My
gasping
God.
for air.
My goodness. Is this what you want, guys? Is this what you want?
Oh, time out down.
May time out.
Ginawa yata yung mouthpiece. Tapos na yung round number 2.
Gusto
As we were enjoying this, Snow Badwa and Finiquito are also enjoying themselves inside the ring. I'm not sure if they are.
Pero kita mo yung animosity sa mga mata nila, galit pa rin. May pasama lang
Oo.
pagod ngayon. Ayan na, nakabuka na yung mga bibig nila. No! Oy! 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 Oras niya! Oy! Ref! Pucha! Ref!
Slip yun, slip
To
yun.
control.
Slip yun.
To control this. Oh my
Pagod na
gosh.
pagod na rin si Snow.
Kahit ito ay amateur, dapat
kung dapat na-score na knockdown si Snow Badwa, dapat yung knockdown for Finiquito. Pero wala naman bilang. Kanya,
Tablaan na lang.
Tablaan na lang.
Boom!
That's the overhand right ni Snow Badwa na dapat bantayan ni Finiquito.
Yan ang power punch niya.
Yung right, overhand right. Kasi malaki si Finiquito sa kanya. There it is
Pagod
again.
na.
Yung
Hirap na
first
yung
round,
dalawa.
nakita ko, may kombinasyon ito si Paniquito. Ngayon wala na.
Pagod na, sir. Pagod na.
Oo.
Oh, nice!
Oh, that's a big one.
Oh, nice!
That's a big right hand scored by Snow Badwa. Oh, big right hand scored by Paniquito naman.
Yung Pilipino, nag-aayaan ng boxing. Let's go!
Bukang bibig na si Paniquito.
And the crowd chanting, oh, right hand again! Ah, dinilaan pa! Ano na? Ano na? Pagod na guys. Haribas. Oh, solid! Solid!
Big punch
Big
by
body shot.
Paniquito.
Oh, nice
one.
one!
Snow Badwa.
It's no bad one receiving some bad shots. 10 seconds. Pagod na.
Oh, sabi ko na, ayaw na.
Let's go.
Tapos na. Yaman na matapos. Ayaw na. Suko na.
Ayaw na.
Ayaw na si Paniquito. Bad was in the middle of the ring. Hindi na yata susundok yung dalawa.
Wala na, hindi na kaya guys.
Wala.
Tapos na, nagtitigan na lang.